Hi Stylistas! Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Chris Style, and I am here to bring you a unboxing of another bag that I've been eyeing for months. So this is going to be a 2-in-1. This is going to be an unboxing, and I'm also going to do a what's in my bag as well. So if you've seen a couple months ago, I reviewed a Marc Jacobs tote bag that was mesh and see-through. I'll give you the card up here, and I'll also list the link down at the bottom. So I've been basically using that tote for the time that I reviewed it all the way till, you know, just recently. And so now, because if you see, that bag is more of a summer bag. And I'm trying to transition myself into fall winter. So basically everything that I show you is going to be the same thing that's going to go in the new bag. I'm just transferring everything over. If you see, I have not opened this bag at all. I am opening it my first time with you guys. It's still all wrapped. So this is going to be, this is the Marc Jacobs leather tote bag. This does retail for $550. However, this is a good investment for me because I am going to be using this as my everyday bag. And this is also going to transfer right into a bag when I get my big girl job, okay? So, and as you can see, it comes like really packaged. So this bag has been sold out for months, this specific color. And this is in the color Argan Oil. And so I wanted this specific color because I love earth tones. They do come in a black as well as, I believe, like more of a tannish, not necessarily white, but more, I guess you would say tan, maybe beige, more of a beige color. And it's really, really light. So I really wanted this specific color, and this specific color has been sold out for the longest time. So when it did come back in stock, I had to grab it really quickly, okay? So let's go ahead and get all this taken off. And this is the large tote. All right, so this is my new baby. And I love the way that it looks. I love the leather. I think this is going to be really good throughout the fall and the winter time. It's a little past fall, but I know we're still in fall a little bit because of the color, of course. So this is going to basically go with everything. And let's go ahead and get the rest of this off. The quality, I can tell, is really sturdy. And so that definitely is different from my mesh bag. But however, I loved the Marc Jacobs tote mesh bag. I loved it. Okay. And then I have my duster. This is really cute. So this is the duster that it comes with. Right, and just more of this. Okay, so that is at the end. So this is what the bag looks like inside. It doesn't have any compartments, just like my mesh tote, but you can buy a divider if you want. I didn't feel like it was necessary for me. And then this is the flap. This looks a little bit smaller than the mesh tote. It shouldn't be too much of a problem for me because I don't keep too many things in that compartment. Then you have this little booklet it comes with. And then here is how deep this bag is. And then you have the two little compartments in the front. And this is more of a canvas, and it does have the leather on it. If you go back to that video before, I did do a bit of a size comparison to my laptop. So I can already tell you that this bag is preferably almost the same as the tote bag. I have it actually right here. It's the same size. So the laptop will fit in here as well. But I'm really loving this bag, and it has like the leather on the inside. Love this bag. I'm so happy I made this purchase. So once again, this is the Marc Jacobs large tote bag, and this is in argan oil, and it does retail for $550. Okay. Oh, I'm not gonna put this on the floor. I want to go ahead and basically switch gears, and I want to show you what I keep in my bag. I do keep a lot of things for, you know, me as a woman in my bag that I never did before, and it's always great because I can carry it in these large tote bags. Things, of course, I carry in my bags is my wallet, and this wallet is Steve Madden, and I got this from Marshall's, and this keeps all my cards and everything in it, every compartment, and it has my pockets here, and then it also has a zip-up pocket here where I keep my change. So of course you need your wallet. If you don't have a wallet, please make sure you go get a wallet, and don't always carry your cards just in your bag, because I know some people that do that. Just get a wallet so you can have everything together. Another thing I like to carry in my bag is a planner. I got this planner from Walmart. You always want to make sure that you have a planner. It's good that if you keep everything on your phone, that's fine. But sometimes with your phone, it may not, you may forget to put it in there and you thought you did. And it's always good to have a backup. So always keep things also in your planner, and it just basically has the pages of the months, and then it also has little dividers as well. Okay, and you can kind of get planners anywhere. You can get them from Amazon. I got this for back to school at Walmart, so it was a decent price. I don't remember the price, but it was a decent price. So this will take me into 2023. The thing that I cannot leave my house without is my AirPods. I always take them, and I always leave them in their charging port. I also have a charger in my car. It can also be charged with my charger from my phone. So I always keep my AirPods, and you never know if you may need them. Also, when I do my laptop, if I'm doing work with my laptop and I need to hear or listen to something on my laptop, these come in handy. So, the thing that I always make sure I do not leave home without is some hand sanitizer. Okay, I know that, you know, a lot of people don't talk about COVID as much anymore. However, you still need to protect yourself against germs. Sometimes you may not be able to get to a sink or anything like that. Anytime you're touching a surface, use hand sanitizer. You can get this from Target, Walmart, in the traveler's aisle, and it's literally no more than $2, if that. Okay, so hand sanitizer. Another thing you don't want to leave home without is any type of chapstick. I've used Carmex, but I really like the Aquaphor, only because with the Carmex, it kind of leaves a thick residue on my lips, and I kind of don't like that too much. But the Aquaphor, it doesn't leave that thick residue. Sometimes I just need a little relief, and so the Aquaphor is really good for that. Always carry a flashlight. This is a small flashlight. I got it when I moved in, and they had like this Verizon special. I don't have Verizon, but to wheel customers in, so they gave out flashlights, and I always keep this flashlight on me. You never know if you may need a flashlight. Always get a little one. You can find these probably Amazon or anywhere of that sort. You just never know if you may need it at night. So just always keep you a little teeny flashlight. These two I keep with me for safety. Mace, and then I have a knife. Ladies, always keep some type of protection on you. It doesn't have to be huge. Always keep some type of protection on you at all times. It is really crazy out here. So I got some mace. You can get mace. You might have to look up where to get mace. I got this. My mom got this for me. And I've had this for so long. So it's a pocket knife. You can get this anywhere where they sell camping things. You can get a pocket knife. So just always protect yourself. These are something where it's very small, minuscule. You can just kind of put this in your bag, but please make sure you always protect yourself. So I haven't used them yet, but I have both of these. You carry my laptop, my MacBook 13-inch screen MacBook. I do carry that in my bag. I also carry my books for the day. So when I'm going on campus, I carry whatever books or whatever classes I have for that day, that goes in my bag. And it's hooked up right now, but here is my laptop. I got my, the casing, I got this off of Amazon, and I make sure I protect it because it was new. So I carry this in my bag always. If I need to just do any type of work, I carry my laptop. I always carry a pencil bag. I carry flashcards for studying. I also have these. These are new. I got this from off of Amazon. So it's transparent sticky notes. And when I seen someone on YouTube when they did studying. And I am a science major. So if you're in science or any type of degree that you're going for, sometimes in your books or online, they'll have diagrams that are very hard to try to transfer onto your notes. So you can actually write over top of this. So you can put this on whatever diagram you need, draw over top of it, and you can stick it into your notebook. So this is new. I haven't tried it yet, but I will be. And then I just kind of keep pens and pencils, highlighters, the whole nine. And then I also keep a stapler. It does need staples. I also keep a sharpener, a small sharpener, because sometimes I do like to use the regular pencils. The thing that I do have is I got this from Walmart, this case. And what I like to keep in here is I like to keep any type of wipes. So I have some flushable wipes from when I need to go to the bathroom to freshen up. I always keep those on me, and these are flushable. And then I also keep some wet ones, and this is hand and face wipes too. So just in case I need to freshen my face up or I need to take any makeup off or anything like that. And I got these from Walmart. And then I do keep makeup wipe removers just in case. I have some Kleenex, a panty liner, and I also keep a pad. I always keep at least one pad just in case I come on and I didn't catch it. I always have it right there on go. Or if someone needs it, I have it, and I just switch it out. Okay? So that's what I keep in this bag. I got this little bag when I ordered off of Christian Dior's website. And when they gave me, I believe it was fragrance at that time, I got this little bag with it. So I use this bag for the rest of my needs, which is perfect. I didn't have to go and get another one. So I keep some Q-tips, and just if I need to wipe anything, I need to wipe the corner of my eyes, anything like that, always keep some Q-tips. I keep Febreze on the go. I do spray this in my car at times if I just feel like my car needs a little bit of a refreshing. If in the event you walk into a restaurant, a carry out or anything like that, and now you smell like fried or grease, you can spray this instead of spraying perfume, because perfume would just kind of be on top of the smell. Always keep you a roller on you. You never know if you'll have lint that you missed before you left out. Always carry this on you, and you're prepared. So in the event I'm in a bathroom and the bathroom just is not smelling fresh, I carry Lysol. I'll carry Lysol if I need to spray my car for anything. I do have spray for my car, but just in case, if I need to maybe spray down something, a lot of times if I go into the library or anything like that, or if I go to like a cafe or a Starbucks and I need to sit down, I just like to go ahead and spray where I'm sitting, and then spray wherever I'm touching, just so I can make sure that I don't get sick and it combats germs. This should not even be a question always keep some type of lotion on you. You can do hand lotion. I also keep a lotion in my car. You should never be ashy. You should always make sure that you have your hands nice and none with ash, okay? So always make sure you keep lotion. Even if you don't keep it for yourself, keep it for someone else. There were times that I've always asked people, hey, do you have any lotion? And I said, you know what, let me actually get some lotion for myself. So even when you wash your hands after you come from the bathroom, because you should be, your hands will get ashy, so you'll have this on deck. Always keep floss. Anytime I eat out, I have it. Sometimes the toothpicks that you get sometimes in restaurants, it doesn't do it for me. So I always carry floss with me. You get this from the dollar store. I feel like I have something in my teeth, I'll go ahead and floss, but I have it. I have this Tide to Go. This literally works wonders, okay? So basically what you do is you'll push this down. It'll release the product, and then you go ahead and you wipe it out. I literally had a old stain on this bag, and I'm not sure where it came from. However, I was like, okay, well, let me go wash it. And I'm like, I'm not gonna just wash that one garment. So I said, well, let me put this to the test and see if it actually works. It literally got the stain completely out. Okay, like completely out. So you definitely need this in your bag. Any event that you go out and you spill something on yourself, you need this, okay? And it definitely does work. Lastly, I do carry some Midol just in case my womanhood comes on, and I just need it. It's there. If anyone else needs it, it's there. It does combat my cramps, so I do carry Midol. And I also do carry pictures of my loved ones in my bag as well. Of course, I'm not going to show you that, but I will carry that in the pocket where it zips, so I don't put anything else in that pocket but pictures of my loved ones. That will conclude what is in my bag. So let me know if you had anything that you're going to add to your bag that you've seen in my video, or let me know if you actually put anything else in your bag that you didn't see in my bag, because I want to see, you know, what other people put in their bags to see if I can actually add something. So thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you're notified for my next video that will be coming. All right, bye.